If you recall, simple interest has two concepts called the future value and present value. These concepts are related, as is everything else in the simple interest unit. I just want to show how we can use these equations interchangeably. The way you do this is through the method called isolation. So let's do this proof. Say that we want to get from future value to present value. First thing that I would do is I'd write my equation, s equals p bracket 1 plus rt. That's our future value equation. In order to turn this future value into the present value equation, all we have to do is isolate p, which is our present value. The way we could do that is we could divide what's multiplied by p. So we divide 1 plus r3 rt on both sides. This leaves us with s over 1 plus rt, which is equal to present value. Right there, we have turned the future value into the present value equation. So now we're going to do the opposite. We want to use our present value equation to get to our future value equation. The method we can do for this is also isolate. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write my present value equation. So we have p is equal to our future value, which is represented by s, divided by 1 plus rt. In order to isolate s, we multiply both sides by the term 1 plus rt. So let's do that. 1 plus rt times p is equal to s times 1 plus rt divided by 1 plus rt. These two cancel out, and we're left with p 1 plus rt is equal to s, which is our future value equation.